The Cricut Joy is a smart little cutting and writing machine that weighs only 3.9 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Its compact 8-inch wide body ensures it won't take up much space in your crafting area. But don't let its size fool you. This machine is a powerhouse when it comes to creating stunning designs. One of the standout features of the Cricut Joy is its compatibility with your smartphone. By using the special Cricut app, you can control the machine with ease, choose from a vast array of projects available in the app's database, or import your own designs to bring your unique ideas to life. With the Cricut Joy, you can create designs up to 47 inches long. Whether you're working on a small greeting card or a large banner, this machine has got you covered. It supports a wide variety of formats, from JPEG to SVG, allowing you to work with your preferred design files seamlessly. The Cricut Joy can handle more than 50 materials, including paper, cardboard, vinyl, and iron-on HTV. It opens up a world of opportunities for you to customize and personalize a range of items. Create custom vinyl decals for water bottles or decorate your walls. Make labels for your kitchen or office. The options are endless. Imagine the possibilities. Do you ever feel stressed or anxious? The transforming cube is a great way to relieve stress and anxiety. It's a small, compact cube that can be opened and closed in a variety of ways, which makes it a fun and challenging toy that can keep your hands and mind busy. The transforming cube is also a great way to take breaks. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, take a few minutes to open and close the cube. This simple activity can help you to relax and focus. The transforming cube is available in a variety of colors, so you can choose one that you like. It's also a great gift for friends and family. The LifePod is the perfect solution for keeping your valuables safe while you're outdoors. It's a small, portable safe that is durable, waterproof, and theft-proof. The LifePod is made of high-quality materials that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. It can easily withstand a car driving over it, and it is protected from moisture and water. The LifePod is also equipped with a theft-proof keypad that requires a PIN code to open. The LifePod is small enough to fit in your backpack or purse, and it comes with a strap and a steel safety rope so you can attach it to your person or your belongings. It also comes with padded interior inserts to protect your valuables. Do you hate coming out of the shower to find a cold, wet towel? The Ranvoo is a revolutionary new towel rack that dries your towels in minutes, so you can always have a warm, dry towel to use. The Ranvoo is easy to install and use. Simply hang it on the wall, plug it in, and turn it on. The Ranvoo uses UV technology to dry your towels, which kills 99.9% of bacteria. The Ranvoo is also very energy efficient, so it won't add much to your electricity bill. Do you want a powerful vacuum cleaner that is also compact and lightweight? The H8 Apex is a cordless vacuum cleaner that weighs just 1.2 pounds and provides up to 30 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. It also has a 2-layer filtration system and a trash can that holds up to 4 ounces of debris. The H8 Apex comes with 2 power levels and 4 attachments, so you can clean any type of surface. The H8 Apex is perfect for small apartments, condos, and RVs. It's also great for travel, as it's lightweight and easy to store. The H8 Apex has a powerful motor that can pick up dirt, dust, and hair from any surface. The 2-layer filtration system traps 99.9% of allergens and pollutants, so you can breathe easily knowing that your home is clean. The H8 Apex comes with 4 attachments: a crevice tool, a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and a pet hair tool. These attachments allow you to clean hard floors, carpets, furniture, and even your car. You love to play games on your phone or tablet? The iPega 9057 is a wireless gamepad that makes gaming on mobile devices more fun and immersive. It has a combination of sticks, D-pad buttons, and triggers, so it's perfect for playing shooters, racing games, and action games. The iPega 9057 is easy to use. Simply connect it to your device via Bluetooth and start playing. The iPega 9057 also has a built-in battery that provides up to 12 to 15 hours of gameplay. The iPega 9057 is the perfect way to improve your gaming experience on mobile devices. It's easy to use, has a long battery life, and is perfect for playing a variety of games. mouse that is as portable as it is stylish? The foldable mouse is a compact, lightweight mouse that folds up into a small, easy-to-carry size. It's perfect for taking with you on the go. Whether you're working in a coffee shop, traveling, or just lounging around the house, the foldable mouse is made of high-quality materials and features a sleek, modern design. It's comfortable to use, even for extended periods of time. The foldable mouse also has a silent button system that eliminates annoying clicks, making it perfect for use in quiet environments. The foldable mouse is the perfect mouse for anyone who wants a portable, stylish, and comfortable mouse. It's easy to use, has a long battery life, and is compatible with a variety of devices. Have you ever seen a toy that is both fun and relaxing? A toy that can help you release your imagination, focus, and relieve stress? The Optical Illusion Desk Toy is a small, portable toy that creates a mesmerizing optical illusion when you spin it. It's made of high-quality materials and is built to last. The toy is also very affordable. The Optical Illusion Desk Toy is perfect for people of all ages. It's a great way to relieve stress, improve your focus, and have some fun. The toy is also small enough to fit in your pocket, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The Optical Illusion Desk Toy is the perfect toy for anyone who wants to have some fun, relieve stress, and improve their focus. Do you want a fidget toy that is both portable and durable? The Magic Cube Spinner is made of high-quality ABS material and is built to last. It's also very small and lightweight, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The Magic Cube Spinner is a great way to relieve stress and fidget. It's also a lot of fun to play with. The Magic Cube Spinner is easy to use. Simply hold it in your hand and spin it. The magnetic gyroscope will keep it spinning for a long time. The Magic Cube Spinner is the perfect fidget toy for anyone who wants a portable, durable, and fun way to relieve stress. The Saker Multi-Function Foldable Level is the perfect tool for measuring angles in various corners and stairs. Its versatility allows you to achieve precise measurements with ease, crafted from durable aluminum alloy. The Saker Multi-Function Level is built to withstand the rigors of any job. Its magnetic attraction ensures a secure grip when working in magnetic areas, providing stability and accuracy. One of the standout features of the Saker Multi-Function Level is its foldable design. With a length of 28 inches, it can be easily folded and conveniently stored in your toolbox, allowing for effortless portability and efficient storage. When it comes to measuring horizontal positions, the multi-function foldable level excels. Its foldable design makes corner measurements a breeze, ensuring accurate results every time. Additionally, with its 28-inch length, it is ideal for measuring the top of walls effortlessly. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos, and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as uploaded. That's it for now.